Your search for the dream home in Nottingham ends right here. Introducing Crown Place, the ultimate place to be. Choose from chic ensuite rooms and stylish studios, designed to cater to your every need. Imagine unwinding in your cozy bed surrounded by modern interiors, with plenty of space to keep your belongings organized. Enjoy a range of amenities including an on-site gym, karaoke sessions with friends, and a lively games room. Take a peaceful walk in the garden or have productive study sessions in the dedicated study room. Plus, with an on-site maintenance team and all-inclusive utility bills, you can relax and focus on what matters most. Curious about the location? You're just a short distance from the Confetti Institute of Creative Technologies and Nottingham Trent University. You'll also be close to charming cafes like Saracen's Cafe and fast food favorites like McDonald's. Need groceries? Falcon Supermarket has you covered. And with Curzon Street nearby, commuting is a breeze. Ready to upgrade your student living? Visit amberstudent.com and book your spot at Crown Place, where your best life in Nottingham begins.